Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Porsche Cayenne. Doesn't matter what year it is guys, anything from 2002 to year 2020 currently guys. If you have a Porsche Cayenne 4, 6, 8 cylinder guys, gasoline engine, and you have engine misfire, random engine misfire, stay with us, we'll explain guys a reason that can cause that most of you don't think about. Especially if you have a higher mileage Cayenne or an older Cayenne, that's very common guys. We had that problem on this one and we'll explain how we fix it and what we're going to do to fix ours. So let's go ahead, introduce you quick guys. If you need to buy any parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below so you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So all we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let me show you what we have here now. So there are so many things that can cause engine misfire guys, cylinder misfire. It could be even bad ignition coil, it could be bad spark plugs, it could be vacuum leak, it could be just a broken hose right here that can cause that. It could be a leaking gasket. We have a video that explains the top 10 reasons for vacuum misfire and how even a simple vacuum leak can cause that. But now guys, some of you don't think about that. Valve cover gasket can cause engine misfire. And why is that? Because the valve cover gasket usually consists of two components. Okay, you can see that's the middle component and the outside component. The middle component, it has a hole for the spark plugs, okay, right here, and where ignition coils go. And this is for the little bolts that hold the valve cover in place. And now, if you look guys, we removed one of the ignition coils and the coil is practically covered with engine oil. Check it out on the inside, covered with engine oil. And if you look, okay, if you look even more guys, if we pull the screwdriver inside, full of engine oil guys. The spark plug is full, that hole is full of engine oil. And what causes that? Okay, leaking valve cover, because when that gasket gets old, it gets really hard. It's not flexible anymore. Also it gets flattened, so that causes oil leaks, and those oil leaks will fill your spark plug wells and your car will start misfiring. Now it will be a random misfire because sometimes the ignition coil will be able to transfer the signal to the spark plug, but not always, and those are sometimes really hard to diagnose. So what I recommend, remove that and check it out. Our valve cover is also leaking everywhere. I want to show you what it looks like underneath as well. Okay, check it out. That's it guys, right there, because of a leaking valve cover. But sometimes you may have a valve cover that doesn't leak at all on the outside. It could be leaking only in the spark plug wells. So that's a very common one on higher mileage vehicles or vehicles that are older guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.